Hello, my final presentation, NVC protocol. I'm Nadezhda Artamonova. NVC, Near Field Communication, is a short-range wireless technology. It allows devices to exchange data when they are very close to each other. NVC is fast, safe, and easy to use. It doesn't need much energy. Industry is becoming more digital. Machines must be identified, set up, and checked fast and safely. NVC helps with this. How it works? NVC is a technology for communication at a very short distance, up to 10 centimeters. It is similar to RFID, but NVC is safer and easier to use. There are two types of NVC devices. One is reader, second is tag. Reader, an active device that creates a radio file. Tag, a passive device that gets energy from the reader and sends back information. Working principle. The reader creates a magnetic field. The tag wakes up using this field and sends data. Data is exchanged using ISO or IEC standards. There are three NVC operates. The first one, read-write. The device reads information for an NVC text or writes information on it. For example, tourist things, transport schedules, product info. What is examples? Serial number of product or its properties. Second is peer-to-peer. Two NVC devices send data to each other directly. It can be sharing contacts or business cards or making a quick connection like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth settings. And last one, card emulation. The NVC device works like a contactless card. You can use it like mobile payments, for example, Google Pay or Apple Pay, and access systems for entering buildings or rooms. How NVC keeps data safe? First is two-way encryption. Data is protected on both sides. Second, secure element or secure enclave. Special hardware that protects case and private data. Third, dynamic codes. Codes change every time. One else is short working distance, about 10 centimeters. And last one, extra authentication. For example, PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. In conclusion, I can say that NVC is useful and modern technology. It helps devices share data quickly and safely. NVC is easy to use and works with many systems like payments, access doors, and information tags. For safe use, NVC needs good protection, like encryption, secure storage or secure storage of keys, and clear access rules. But NVC makes many everyday tasks simpler and faster. Thank you for your attention, and bye.